How to fix Google Play Store glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store glitch on Android phone. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and now type Google Play, and as you see here you will find Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Now go to Google Play Services and go to storage, clear cache, and now go back and go to Google Play Store, and first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then click storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix it, now just go to storage, clear data and click OK, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.